everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change password on AliExpress. Keep watching the video till the end. To change password on AliExpress application, firstly go ahead and open your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. Click on Account option at the bottom of the page. On the next page, tap on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. It will take you to the setting page of AliExpress account. Now tap on Profile and then click on Account Information. Simply tap on Password option. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address for verification. Enter a code sent to your email, then tap on Verify. Now all you need to do is enter a new password for your AliExpress account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and tap on Update Password. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change password at AliExpress quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.